Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the new video. Today we are going to see some beautiful luxury designs and you will love them. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching the video, please like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. The luxury clock designs are very amazing and awesome. The brown clock designs are very amazing and awesome. The brown color clock designs are very amazing and awesome. The white color of items are very amazing and beautiful. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. The golden color of clock designs are very amazing and awesome. The clock designs are very amazing and beautiful. The white color of clock designs are very amazing and awesome. The brown color of clock designs are very beautiful. The flower clock designs are very nice. The pink color of clock designs are very amazing and awesome. The black color of clock designs are very nice and amazing. The clock designs are very nice and good. The digit clock designs are very nice and amazing. The clock designs are very beautiful. The clock designs are very nice. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. The watch time clock designs are very amazing and awesome. The silver color of clock designs are very amazing and beautiful. The clock designs are very nice and amazing. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.